There is a memorial located in Buddhiyagama in Veerakatiya Tangol, located in the south of Sri Lanka. This, buried under the sands of time, involves a person who was a focal point in the Batalanda Commission report. He was Attorney-at-Law Wijeyadasa Liyanarachchi, a lawyer, human rights activist and a skilled orator in the political arena. During the 88-89 period, he appeared in court without charging any fees on behalf of those who suffered various injustices due to human rights violations. On the 25th of August 1988, this lawyer disappeared. On the 2nd of September that year, he was admitted to the Colombo National Hospital and passed away at 12:55 am the following day in the hospital's intensive care unit.
මරණ පරීක්ෂණයේදී හෙළි වුණා. මරණ පරීක්ෂණයේදී හෙළි වුණා. ඔහුට ඉතාමත් කුරිරු ලෙස, ඉතාමත් ඛේදනීය ලෙස, ඉතාමත් නින්දනීය ලෙස පාහර ලෙස වද බන්ධන දීලා ඔහුගේ අභ්‍යන්තරම තුවාල 119ක් 20ක් විතර තිබුණා. ඔහුගේ වම් ඇලේ ඉතාමත් දරුණු තුවාලයක් වෙතිදු වෙලා තිබුණා. ඉලෑටම කීපයක් කුඩු වෙලා තිබුණා. ඔහුගේ දේහ දකුණු උරහිසේ උඩින්ද පැනපු සපත්තු පාරක් දකින්නටත් තිබුණා. එය වෛද්‍ය පරීක්ෂණයේදී ඉතාමත් හොඳින් පැහැදිලිව සටහන් වල තුනක් දැකලා තිබුණා.
What happened to Attorney-at-Law Wijeyadasa Liyanarachchi? The Batalanda Commission report contains about 6 pages of information regarding this death. According to the Commission report, following the disappearance of Attorney-at-Law Wijeyadasa Liyanarachchi on the 25th of August 1988, his senior lawyer Ranjit Abesurya and others immediately intervened and made inquiries from various parties. According to the Batalanda Commission report, when the then Inspector General of Police inquired from the Tangol Police Superintendent Wijeyadasa about the matter, he was indirectly led to believe that the missing lawyer was in the custody of the Tangol Police. The then Inspector General of Police, Ernest Pereira, testified before the Commission that on the 31st of August 1988 at noon, the then Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe made a phone call to him. Wickremesinghe had stated that he expected the suspect, in this instance Wijeyadasa Liyanarachchi, to be brought to Colombo and handed over to the anti-subversive unit operating in the Kalaniya division. Accordingly, the then IGP ordered for Wijeyadasa Liyanarachchi to be handed over to Assistant Superintendent of Police Douglas Pires, who was residing in the Batalanda housing complex at the time. The Commission report suspects that the lawyer was taken from Tangol to the Batalanda torture chamber. Meanwhile, the Commission report also focuses on the transfer of the lawyer to the Sapugaskanda police station after being handed over to the anti-subversive unit in Paliyagoda. Attorney-at-Law Liyanarachchi, who was handed over to the special unit, was admitted to the emergency unit of the Colombo National Hospital in a critical condition at 11 pm on the 2nd of September 1988. He passed away in the intensive care unit at 12:55 am. Excerpt from the Batalanda Commission report. Quote, the post-mortem examination of the deceased was conducted by Colombo Judicial Medical Officer Dr. L.B. Dialvis. According to his findings, Wijeyadasa Liyanarachchi died due to multiple muscle and skeletal injuries caused by blunt weapons leading to shock and bleeding. Unquote. The post-mortem report states that there were 207 external injuries before death. This murder caused a great uproar at the time, and lawyers launched a strong campaign for justice. Amidst the strong public outcry, the then Tangol Police Superintendent Wijeyadasa and 2 other officers were arrested and charged before a 3-judge High Court bench. However, the High Court later acquitted them due to the inability to prove beyond reasonable doubt that they were the true murderers of Liyanarachchi. Excerpt from the Batalanda Commission report. Quote, the Commission questions why Ranil Wickremesinghe intervened and why he instructed that Liyanarachchi be brought to Colombo and handed over to the special unit operating in the Kalaniya division. Wickremesinghe's stance before the Commission was that he never instructed the Inspector General of Police over the phone to act in such a manner. The Inspector General of Police informed him over the phone about the decision to transfer Liyanarachchi from Tangol to Colombo and asked if he had any objections to detaining Liyanarachchi at Sapugaskanda. Wickremesinghe stated that he had no objections. Unquote. However, the Commission strongly rejects Wickremesinghe's statement as noted in the report. Excerpt from the Batalanda Commission report. Quote, if the Minister of Industries was not actually controlling and directing the special unit operating in the Kalaniya area, why did the Inspector General of Police ask him if he had any objections to detaining Liyanarachchi at Sapugaskanda? Unquote.
නීතිඥ විජේදාස ලියනරච්චි කියන්නේ මගේ සහෝදරයා. ඔහු ඝාතනයට ලක් කරන්නට කරන ලද සියලුම කුමන්ත්‍රණ සිදු වුණේ මේ දකුණේ හම්බන්තොට තංගල්ල ප්‍රදේශයේ කුරුණු දේශපාලකයන් විසින් ඔවුන්ට තරජනයක් කළා තිබුණා. දේශපාලන වශයෙන් සහ නීතිවේදියෙකු ලෙසත් දේශපාලන වශයෙන් මේ රටට ඔහු ගෙන ගිය ඉදිරි වැඩපිළිවෙල ඒ කුරුණු දේශපාලකයන්ට අමන දේශපාලන තරජනයක් වෙලා තිබුණා. විජේදාස ලියනරච්චි මේ දිස්ත්‍රික්කයේ දේශපාලකයන්ටත් රටේ දේශපාලනයටත් මහත් අභියෝගයක් වුණා. ඒ අභියෝගය නිසාම ඔහුව නැති කරන්නට, ඔහුගේ දේශපාලනය නැති කරන්නට ගත් පියවරක් හැටියට මේ මරණය අපට හඳුන්වන්නට පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා.
The Batalanda Commission report contains information on many such murders buried under the sands of time. The cabinet has now decided to present this report to Parliament in the coming days. What will happen next?